like to show you the benefit of continuous handrails. So these are handrails that are unbroken. It means there's no splits and there's no gaps between the length of the handrail. And it also leads to using less of these guys, using less of the TGSIs. And I'll explain why. So I'm going up the ramp here. I come to this return, which has got sufficient circulation space for somebody who's in a wheelchair or using a mobility scooter to turn around in. Can you see how the handrails here are continuous? Look at that. Isn't that great? So what that means is a blind or vision impaired person or a person who has low vision can hold on to this handrail. For me, I'm left-handed here, so left-handed. It means that we don't need TGSIs here because there's no other entry points into this landing, this return landing. So this is great for so many people in so many different ways, just to have practical, continuous, unbroken, well-designed, well-made handrails. So if you want to reduce the use of TGSIs, if you want to create greater access and greater utility within your accessible ramp designs, obviously where this is possible, of course, because sometimes you might have had a door here, we don't know, but a way to reduce TGSIs, a way to improve access for all people, is make sure that your handrails are continuous, unbroken, and really well made.